Alright guys, what is up? Welcome to another video, obviously by me, Damon Castro, the Hair Jordan. Omil wants to be in the video. Never mind, he just left. And so alright, back to it. And so today I will be restoring two shoes, bro. I got a pair of Jordan 4s. These are like the fire red Mars. You can see right there, Spike Lee's character, Mars Blackman. And as you can see, these are pretty beat. They got a lot of dirt on the leather. Midsole has like paint missing. I only need like 2 coats for those. The midsole's not that yellow. It's just really dirty. And the sole has lost some of its traction on the stars. And I got these for about $14 at the thrift. What's up my hair, bro? My hair look weird. But we're basically gonna be doing a clean, washing the laces. These don't really need a replacement. But washing the laces, and then repinning the midsole, cleaning the leather, all that stuff. And then I got these. These were on sale. Jordan 9 breads for only $4. 97 cents sale price. He's pretty good. It's just that the traction's good. The globe on the back is pretty faded, and it's missing the laces. But they'll probably cost like $1. Go here, damn it. Alright, I got him. Alright, so Omil keeps being annoying. I gotta feature him in at least one part of the video. As you can see, he got the... I'm gonna let you lick me because I know you haven't looked at anything bad. You can see he got the fresh cut. Look at his head. Push a little bit. There you go. He got the fresh cut, bro. Damn, your boy is drippy as hell and soft. Bye, Omil. Say bye. Kiss his back. Okay, bye now. But let's get right to cleaning these shoes with the first pair will be this pair of Jordan 4s. Let's go. Alright, so I'm going to be this is the stuff I'm going to be using. Got a Quick Protect Cure rag. Cure. Had this for a while. Magic eraser. Old toothbrush. Quick Protect Rain and Stain. Quick Protect Cure. And a Zayar midsole marker. Only 2 coats needed. And then some water. Get to it. Alright, so first I've taken off the laces. Let's start with the left pair. Alright, so I'm gonna be this is the stuff I'm gonna be using. Got a Quick Protect Cure rag. Cure. Had this for a while. Magic eraser, old toothbrush, Quick Protect Rain and Stain, Quick Protect Cure, and a Zayar midsole marker. Only 2 coats needed, and then some water. Alright guys, let's get to cleaning these. Here we go. have cleaned the shoe pretty well. And the camera kind of makes it look like it's still a bit dirty because it kind of is, but some sole separation thing. You have to get some push it back in or something. So I'm going to be using this midsole marker to get rid of all the white spots right here. You only need 2 coats, I think. Let's see, directions. Clean the midsole surface and let it dry. I already did that. Shake vigorously before you use. Press tip until the ink follows and then apply to your sneaker. Let's do this. Alright, looks like I got the right shoe pretty good. I'll probably do the next coat later. Let's go on to the left shoe. Alright guys, I finished using the marker on both shoes. I did 2 layers each shoe, a little bit shiny, but I gotta let it sit there for a while. So we'll check back on these in 24 hours, and then I'm gonna put the laces back on. Clean the tongue. I think I got these pretty good. A lot of scuff marks that were here are all mostly gone. The soles pretty good now. I got the dirt out of the visible air unit. Now I'm gonna move on to the Jordan 9s. So I'm gonna find a pair of socks for these. Let me get a pair of socks real quick. There's stuff in there. There we go. I got a big pair of socks. Bow, 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 bow. There we go. That's the right shoe. Now for the left. This one should be easier because it's black. There you go. Let's go. Let's get right to cleaning this. Alright guys, I finished cleaning both of the shoes. I removed all of the scuff marks that they had and any other markings and whatever else. I'm gonna go trim some of this like lining on the tongue and stuff and on the lace lace holes. And then I did a little bit of on creasing. Not my best job, I've never done it before, but they turned out a little bit better, a bit more like to the original shape. But let's go trim these. Here we go. All right, guys. So I'm almost done with both shoes. I trimmed these. Oh, I just dropped this down. I trimmed the like pieces of lining and stuff that were like all frizzy. Anything that was like not to make the shoe look bad, but these look way better than they were before. These seems a little bit better. Oh, damn it, I missed some spots. Well, I missed these spots right here. I'm checking that. I missed that. No, I kind of did, but it's worse on this one. But I'm gonna go back, trim it again because I missed a spot, and then I'll check on these in a couple hours, and when the laces are also clean. See y'all later. Alright guys, what is up? It's been 24 hours. I'm doing this video outside mainly because my brother is sleeping. But we are got the finished product. The shoe. See the cracking is gone. Most of the scuff marks are pretty good. Pretty gone. Clean. Midsole way cleaner than before. I still gotta re-glue this part, so that's what I'll probably do off camera. See that tiny crack? I have to be really sensitive like that. Look at the left shoe. Laced up. I was lacing there for the video. The midsole. Mainly I have to say on these, yeah. These are pretty good. I'm gonna sell them for a decent price. I only got some little kid relatives or something. I don't know. If it's for your kid or something. I don't know if any adults watch me. I don't know. But I'm gonna list these on Mercari. I'll leave a link to my Mercari account in the description. Yeah, let's do both shoes. Oh shit, both clean. I wish I had these in my size. Jordan 4, like 5 red Mars. With a little spike wheel on there. It's fire. But yep. I think I did a pretty good job on these. I cleaned the sole pretty good. Most of the scuff marks are gone. The tongue is clean. The laces are pretty clean now. Midsole cracking is pretty mostly gone. Yeah, just tiny spots you can get in between. See bro, see. Now on to the next shoe. Let's go. Alright guys, we're on to the next part of the video on the Jordan 9s. I think we got these right here. Little used Jordan 9s. These ones I think I did pretty good, but they're already kind of clean, but still pretty good, way dirtier than before. I gotta get some of these rocks out. I clipped the tongue pretty good, got rid of most of the loose stitching. Jordan. I gotta get some new laces for these though. I'm gonna get some laces for these and then I'm gonna sell them. Keep the value in them. Yeah, but these I cleaned the patent leather pretty good. I kind of got rid of the creasing a little bit, tiny bit, but I didn't iron it. I need to probably do like an actual iron job thing on this one. This one I did like a different technique. These ones are pretty good though. Tiny spot there that I missed. There we go. But yeah, these are pretty good. So that's all I have to say about these. Thank you guys for watching. But remember, there's upcoming. I got 2 new videos on the way. I have a thrifting and Ross one. Another one I just I didn't. People actually want me to do it, but I'm gonna have to make a dress like Travis Scott. I never thought I'd have to dress like him. I'm becoming like those crappy YouTube videos. I have to dress like Travis Scott. But yeah, that's all. That's all for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all next time.